Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to log into your Google Classroom from your iPad. Very similar to your computer. You just find your Google Classroom icon and click on it. And if you don't see your name there, you want to go ahead and add another account. So I'm going to put my fake student account, Peter Parker. Maybe you recognize Peter Parker. So you put your first name and last name and the @ symbol, nrcs.net, N-E-T, okay? And then you hit the next key, and it's going to ask you for a password. You're going to put NR for North Ridgeville, and then your 6-digit code. And if you don't remember your 6-digit code, you can ask your teacher, and they will let you know. So go ahead and do that, and then click Next. Okay, once you have your password, go ahead and click Next. And it should bring you to your main Google Classroom page. If you're logging in for the first time, it might take a few seconds. And then I'm going to show you how to join a class. So once you log in, you'll end up coming here, which is your Google Classroom homepage or landing page. Now, as you can see, I've got 2 classes in my classroom, and I'm going to show you a little bit how they work. You might have a class from last year, but if you don't, that's okay. We're going to show you how to add a classroom in just a second. So the first class you see at the top, I just have a practice class. I'm just called it Tech Class. If you click on it, it will bring you to the tech class, okay? And what you see here is what's called the stream. If you look in the lower left corner, you'll see the word stream highlighted in blue. That's how you know you're in the stream. And it's called a stream because as your teacher or coach is posting assignments and posting different announcements in Google Classroom, they're ordered so that the top one is the most recent one. So if you scroll down, you'll see postings that happened in the past. So this is a way to find the most recent post by looking at the top. Now, I also want you to look at the middle bottom of your screen, and you'll see the word classwork. If you click on that, sometimes your teacher or coach will want to order things by a particular subject. So for example, in my classroom, I've got technology, social studies, ELA, science, and math. If I wanted to find out what assignment I have going on in technology class, I could just go to the technology sections and I can see what technology assignment there is there. There'll be more on assignments and how to read them and turn in assignments in another presentation. So now, if I want to go back to my main page, in the upper left corner, you see those 3 lines there. If you click on that and go to the little home icon where it says classes, that will bring you back to that landing page. Now I'm going to show you how you add your class. So in the lower right corner, you'll see a plus sign. You click that plus sign, and you'll see that you can enter a class code. It says, ask your teacher for the class code, then enter it here. I'm going to put a code here, which is for another one of my classes. You're going to put the code that your teacher gives you. Okay, then you will click Join, and your class is being set up. So now you can see that a new class has been created, and it brings me into that class. So these are classes from last year, and I'm just showing you how to join a class. But again, if I want to go back to my home screen, I go to the 3 lines, upper left corner, click on Classes, and here I am. So you'll be given instruction on how to join your class with the classroom code, and then you'll have your very own class.